Good morning. We're at I've just arrived at the Triumph Factory Visitor Experience in Hinckley. It's part of the factory here, and it's a bit of a special day. We've got Triumph launching their latest, or the last engine development of the bike, the Moto2 bike. It's a couple of days before the GP in Silverstone, so we've got a couple of Moto2 riders. We've got Danny Kent, Sam Lowes, Luca Marini, among others. So we're going to have a little tour around the factory, look at the bike a bit closer, chat to a few technical people, and the important thing is we're going to hear it on the or see it on the dyno. So looking forward to that one. But yes, and I've just been told that we're going to get a chance to ride it on Monday, the day after the GP. So I am a little bit excited.